How to sell on Temu app. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sell on Temu app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Start by going to the Temu's official website and look for the option to create a seller account or sign up and click on it. You will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business, which may include your name, contact details, and business information. So Temu offers different plans for sellers, so choose the one that suits your need and budget. Once your account is set up, you can start listing your products for sale. Provide all the necessary details, including the description, prices, and images. After that, you'll need to set up your payment method so that you can receive payments from the customers. To make sure to adhere to Temu seller guidelines and policies to ensure a smooth selling experience with your products listed and your account set up. You are ready to start selling on Temu. You have to simply keep an eye on the Temu and listings, and you have to simply respond to customer inquiry and manage your order as you gain experience and positive feedback. After that, what you need to do is simply consider expanding your product range and marketing your products to reach a broader audience. Keep up to date with Temu sellers update and any changes in their policy to stay compliant and successful. By following the step, you can easily sell on Temu application. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.